Fu is a word deeply embedded in the cultural tapestry of China. It translates to blessing or good fortune. Its presence is ubiquitous in Chinese households, especially during significant celebrations like the Lunar New Year. Beyond its linguistic meaning, Fu holds cultural and spiritual significance. It represents the pursuit of a harmonious and prosperous life, encompassing not only material wealth but also health, happiness, and family well-being. Join me as we delve into the strokes and styles of writing Fu in Chinese calligraphy, appreciating not just the artistry of the characters but also the profound cultural resonance they carry